Hey guys, good morning. So welcome back sa ato ang another vlog. Welcome to our another day. So let's talk about something, anything and everything again. So the same as usual. So paingon taog land bank for sales deposit. Okay guys, so last time we talked about the requirements of the PDC. Today, for our content, it's all about PDC requirements. Okay. So sa PDC requirements na to, number one requirement sa ito ang PDC is the photocopy of your SP. Then after that, next is 2x2 picture. So muna mo ang pangayoon diri sa driving school, no? So one copy of 2x2 picture and also one copy or one photocopy of student permit, no? So anong gagawin kapag nag-take ng PDC o practical driving course? So first of all, so dapat marunong na po kayo mag-drive ng sasakyan. Okay? Kasi sa PDC, sa practical driving course, dapat marunong ka na mag-drive, no? Kasi drive test kumbaga ang PDC. So yun. Dito sa aming branch, hindi kami masyadong stricto about sa practical driving course or drive test. As long as alam nyo kung paano mag-reverse parking, mag-nose in parking, and to conduct the proper U-turn. And also alam nyo kung paano ipag-drive ang sasakyan. So yun, walang problema sa amin yan, no? So hindi kami stricto. So yun lang, no? So after taking the PDC or the practical driving course, so pag nakapasa kayo, so bibigyan namin kayo ng certificate ng PDC. So after dyan, so make it sure na 31 days ang iyong SP from the date of release of your SP. Then pwede na po kayo mag-process ng inyong non-professional driver's license. Okay? So if hindi pa umabot ng 31 days, so makatantay muna. Okay? So may ibang nagtatanong, sir, kailan pwede makuha yung PDC? So kailan, no? So kung ang tanong na yan, so kukunin nyo muna yung SP ninyo, no? For example, today po ninyo nakuha yung SP nyo or student permit. So it depends on your restriction code yan, no? So if code 1 or for motorcycle, so kukuha kayo ng PDC 1. So if today kayo nakakuha ng SP, so pwede nyo na kunin yung PDC certificate nyo by tomorrow. So pag ano naman, pag PDC code 1 and 2, ngayong araw na ito na-release yung SP niyo or stolen permit, so after 2 days from the release, pwede na makuha ang PDC code 1 and 2, no? So next na tanong is if nagte-test drive ba kung kukuha ng PDC 1? Sa amin, sa branch namin, sa office namin, hindi na namin pinapatake ng PDC 1 or test drive ng motorcycle if you are bringing your own motorcycle. Okay, so correction, no? So dito kasi sa sa province, sa probinsya, halos lahat ng mga kabataan dito ay nagmamaneho ng motorcycle even if wala silang license. Yun ang worst, no? So kadalasan yung nagpapa-enroll sa amin ng TDC tsaka PDC, nagdadala talaga sila ng sarili nilang motor. So if ever nagpa-enroll kayo ng PDC code 1, then you are bringing your own motorcycle, so no need na to test drive kasi alam naman natin na marunong kang magmaneho ng motor, di ba? So automatic na yon. Then what if yung client or student ay nagdala ng automatic transmission or manual transmission na sasakyan or 4-ways, then nag-enroll siya ng PDC 2, kailangan pa bang i-test drive yan? So ang sagot is no need na rin, as long as siya po yung nag-drive ng kanilang sasakyan. Okay guys, so yun lang muna, no? Kasi malapit na tayong umabot sa ating lugar, no? So kung saan tayo pupunta, so, sa Land Bank, sa Bangkok, no? Kasi magde-deposit tayo. So until next time guys, see you and thank you for watching.